Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Tika Gita, and in here I will explain about meeting 8. The title is The Culture Shock and Case Global Context. Okay, in the table of content, have a definition of culture shock, characteristic of culture shock, positive and negative effects of culture shock, factors influencing culture shock, and the V-shape adjustment model. Indonesian students studying abroad, international students studying in Indonesia, Indonesian migrant workers abroad, implies working and multinational components companies. And the first slide about definition of culture shock. And culture shock is a condition in like stress, confusion, discomfort experienced by someone when moving from a familiar cultural environment to a new and different culture. In Indonesian or cultural if to cultural like Korea culture. And then this condition arises due to difference in values, norms, and language, social, and habits. Yes, an example: an Indonesian student studying in Japan finds it difficult understand social rules and ways to communication that are different from this in Indonesia, and thus different from those in Indonesia. Okay, and next slide, characteristic of culture shock. Have 5 example like loss of identity or sense of comfort, confusion regarding new norms and rules, and exciting stress and insecurity. And then 5 and 4, difficulty understanding the behavior of the local community. And then last, feeling uncomfortable in the new environment. Like example, foreign students feel confused when they have to express their opinions in the class because the study and the education system in the country only influence listening to the teacher explain in the class. Yes. And then next slide, positive and negative effects of a culture shock. The positive effects like improving self confidence and thinking critical and developing social communication skills. This is 3 example positive effects. And then negative effects like the head case or physical discourse due to stress and loneliness and depression and drastic mood change, and then difficulty making decisions and understanding new situation. This is, for example, a negative skill. And example Example explain positive effects. Someone who has difficult success someone who has successful adapt to become more independent and able to interact with people various cultures. And then, for example, negative effects like international student experience homesickness and lost motivation to study. It is difficulty to adapt the cultural. And then next slide, factors influencing the culture shock, like communication competence like language in cultural communication skill, and psychological adjustment like ability to maintain mental health and thinking positively. Example, giving motivation to oneself when facing difficulties. Okay. And next, the V-shapes adjustment model. Like the stakes of adjustment, a person goes to through when living in a new culture, when returning to their home culture, like such as have two types. One honeymoon, like happy and enthusiastic, and two is hostility, like expressing frustration or stress or anger. And three harmless looking and mistake that were once made. And for instinct, like instinct feels comfortable. And five, ambivalence, like sad to live a new culture difference. And next, and six, Renzi shock, like Renzi shock when returning to the home country. And the last, resocialization, like reducing oneself. And next, I will explain about has global content, like what communication barriers emerged, like language barrier, like difficulty understanding accounts, vocabulary or different terms. And then different communication styles, like difference in ways of expressing opinions and interacting culture. And nonverbal misunderstanding, like difference in the meaning of a contact and gesture or physical experience. And the last, lack of cultural knowledge, like cultural norms and custom. Example, Indonesian student might consider a lecturer who speaks directly and critical as simple, whereas this is actually a normal communication and habit in that country. And next, what adaptation strengths could be deployed? Number one, what communication barriers emerge, like language difference in direct and direct communication style. And last, difference in ways expressing opinions. And next, what adaptation strategies could be applied, like developing intercultural independent cultural communication skills, representing cultural difference, and actively collaboration and building relationship with international language and college, and then uh, and then uh, oh, which stage which stage of culture shock can be identified, like student begin to feel frustrated, like stress, and have difficulty adopting new cultural, and then or do I don't like adopting to say new environment, and they may experience homesick, lost confidence, and feel everything in the destination country in the more difficult than immigrants. Example: after becoming an overall students begin to feel difficulty identifying factors and understanding the local culture, and interesting with new friends. Okay. And then what's that? And then how to say it? And then conclusion. I'll experience about culture shock and case global context is adjustment process in which a person face a new culture indifferent from the original culture, and the default culture shock influenced by various factors such as motivation, expectation, cultural distance, and communication skill, and individual personality. Throughout the stage in this reshape adjustment, a model person will go through various phase adjustment before finally being able to adapt well. International student, Indonesian migrant works as well employees and of motivational campaigns and overcome shock by learning new culture and informal language skill, building positive social relationship to that the key are able to communication and work effectively in global environments. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.